Incogni versus DeleteMe versus Aura. Which one actually protects your identity? Your personal data is everywhere. From your phone number to your home address and even your financial details, data brokers collect and sell this information, often without your consent. That's where privacy protection services come in. But the big question is, which one actually protects your identity the best? Be sure to watch to the very end so you know which one best suits you. So let's start with Incogni. Incogni is built by Surfshark, a well-known cybersecurity company behind the Surfshark VPN. Its entire focus is on data broker removal. Once you sign up and give them the permission, Incogni automatically sends requests to dozens of data brokers asking them to delete your information. What makes Incogni appealing is its automation first approach. You don't have to lift a finger. It handles the removals for you and checks back regularly to make sure your data doesn't reappear. For people who want a simple, no fuss privacy solution, Incogni is designed to be completely hands off. DeleteMe has been around for years and is one of the most recognized names in data privacy. Unlike Incogni, which relies mainly on automation, DeleteMe uses a hybrid approach, automation versus real humans. When you sign up, their privacy team manually reviews the data brokers list, sends removal requests, and then provides you with quarterly reports. These reports clearly show which brokers had your data and whether your information was successfully removed. DeleteMe appeals to people who want not just removals, but also proof and transparency along the way. And finally, we have Aura. Aura is a different tool from the other two because it's not just a data broker removal tool, it's an all in one digital security platform. Aura bundles data broker removal with identity theft protection, credit monitoring, a VPN, password manager, and even parental controls. Now, the downside is that Aura's data broker removal features aren't quite as deep or specialized as Incogni or DeleteMe, but where it shines is in being a comprehensive security suite. If you're not only worried about your information being sold, but also about things like credit fraud, phishing, or family security, Aura definitely gives you broad protection under one roof. Now let's head over to the pros and cons. For Incogni, it is automation focused. Incogni sends removal requests to data brokers automatically. This means you don't waste time contacting each broker individually. Number 2, ongoing monitoring. Incogni doesn't just remove your data once, it regularly checks and resubmits requests if your information shows up again, keeping your privacy intact over the long term. And number 3, simple interface. Incogni's dashboard is minimal and easy to use. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can set it up and forget about it. However, it has its limits. Incogni has limited global reach. Incogni works best in the US and Europe. If you live outside these regions, the effectiveness may be much lower. Number 2, less transparency. Unlike DeleteMe, Incogni doesn't provide highly detailed reports. You know requests are being sent, but you don't always see proof for each one. And finally, it's only a single purpose tool. Incogni is excellent at broker removals, but it doesn't give you extras like credit monitoring or insurance. If you want more than just data removal, you need another service. And now on to DeleteMe. DeleteMe's pros include a human touch. It combines automated systems with actual human review. This makes their removal process more accurate and thorough. Number 2, detailed reports. Every quarter, DeleteMe sends you a full breakdown of where your data was found and whether it's been removed. You get transparency and peace of mind with visible proof. And finally, number 3, proven reputation. DeleteMe has been in the privacy space for years and is trusted by thousands of users. If you value experience and credibility, this matters. However, it has its cons. First off, it comes at a higher cost. DeleteMe is more expensive than Incogni. If budget is a priority, this might push people away. It has slower results. Because they rely partly on manual processes, data removal can take longer. This may frustrate people expecting instant cleanups. And finally, it is US centric. DeleteMe mainly works with US based data brokers. If you live outside the US, you won't get the same level of protection. And finally, for Aura. Aura includes a one and all protection. Aura covers far more than just broker removals. You get credit monitoring, a VPN, a password manager, and even parental controls. It has identity theft insurance. Aura provides up to $1 million in identity theft coverage. This isn't just prevention, it's real financial backup if the worst happens. And finally, it is family friendly. Aura offers family plans that cover multiple people for households. This is much better than buying separate subscriptions. However, it has its limits. Aura is a weaker broker removal. Compared to Incogni or DeleteMe, Aura doesn't go as deep with data brokers. If removals are your main goal, it may feel lacking. Number 2, higher price. Aura's plans are more expensive because of all the bundled features. If you only care about data brokers, you're paying for extras you may not use. And finally, it has redundant tools. If you already have a VPN or a password manager or another monitoring service, Aura's features overlap. You could end up paying twice for the same protection. And now for the feature comparisons. Let's compare them head to head. In terms of a focus area, Incogni wins here for pure automation and simplicity. DeleteMe is also strong, but Incogni is the most efficient if you want hands-off privacy. In terms of transparency and reports, DeleteMe takes the crown. Their quarterly reports give clear proof, something Incogni and Aura don't match. In terms of international coverage, Incogni here too has solid US and European coverage. DeleteMe is more US centric, while Aura has broader coverage because of its all-in-one scope. For global users, Aura and Incogni win here. In terms of extra features, Aura easily wins. Neither Incogni nor DeleteMe offers extras, while Aura gives you credit monitoring, insurance, VPN, and more. In terms of ease of use, Incogni is the simplest. DeleteMe requires you to read reports and updates, and Aura can feel overwhelming because of its many features. In terms of best overall fit, Incogni is for automation lovers, DeleteMe for transparency seekers, and Aura for family or people wanting complete coverage. Now let's put into real world situations. If you're a busy professional who doesn't have time to manage reports or constantly check the updates, Incogni is your best friend. It's fully automated and requires no effort. If you're a privacy enthusiast who wants to see detailed proof of where your information was found and removed, DeleteMe is the best choice. The reports will give you peace of mind and validation. And finally, if you're a parent or family protector, or if your concern goes beyond data brokers to identity theft and financial fraud, Aura is the clear winner here. Its all-in-one package ensures everyone in your household is covered. Now let's talk about pricing. Incogni costs between $6 to $12 a month, depending on your billing plan. It's the most affordable of the three and perfect if you only want data removal. DeleteMe costs around $129 a year per person. That's more expensive, but you're paying for manual accuracy and quarterly reports. Aura starts from $10 to $30 a month, depending on the plan and whether you're covering a family. It's the priciest, but remember, you're getting a full security suite, not just broker removals. In terms of value, Incogni wins for budget automation. DeleteMe wins for peace of mind with proof. And Aura wins if you want broad family level protection. So which one actually protects your identity? The answer is it depends on what you value most. If you want a set it and forget it solution that automates everything quietly in the background, choose Incogni. If you want transparency and detailed proof with reports you can track, choose DeleteMe. And if you want a comprehensive all-in-one solution that covers not only data brokers but also identity theft, credit monitoring, and family safety, choose Aura. At the end of the day, all three services have the same goal: to protect your data and privacy. The real question is, do you want automation, transparency, or complete coverage? And that's been an honest comparison between Incogni, DeleteMe, and Aura. Which software are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.